Welcome back to IgnitionTube. Today, it is snowing, and we have not made a snowy point of view drive, and I couldn't tell you the last time because my SQ5 you couldn't shut off stability control. This car you can't shut off stability control. We should probably raise this thing up if we're going out. We're gonna go ahead and go to comfort mode. It should raise us up. Out of the garage, yep. So we'll wait for this to air us up. And then we are headed out. If you don't know this car, this is my 2016 Audi S6. It's stage 1 integrated engineering. It's on a 93 octane tune currently. It has a seat module for lowering and raising, and we are on Vredstein Wintrac Pro in a 255/35/20. So obviously a 255 not the most ideal for winter driving. I can't tell if we're going up or not. Oh yeah, we are skyjacked now. So we'll head up here and we'll see if we can get out of the garage. Once we get out of the garage, it's a free-for-all. Oh, this was butter. Oh, you really can't see much though. But we're just gonna go explore, kind of see what's what out here. The storm is very much still in progress. And if you didn't know, the last time I went out in the snow and played around was in my S4, and that had a very unfortunate outcome. I was driving and I got cut off by a plow truck, and that was kind of the end of that. We got a Bobcat clear in the middle of the road here. I'm gonna go ahead and zip on by, but look at this beautiful cleared out intersection now. Thanks, brother. Not sure where he's going. I'm just gonna go ahead on by. But we got a big loader. That is a giant town loader. There is a fire truck. I'm gonna make a turn down here. Let's see what's up down here. So I just got stuck behind a Honda who could not make it up a hill. He finally made it up and over. There's like tire marks on the road and everything. The S6 just idled right up and over. I mean, there's obviously a benefit to all-wheel drive, but the real benefit is winter tires. Winter tires are 150% where it's at. See if we give it a little juice, how fast traction control kicks in. I actually don't think I've driven that much in the snow in this car, maybe once. Yeah, definitely traction control, but she's got some, I mean, it gets up and moves for it being completely snowy kind of stuff. All right, we got a little bit of deep snow here. Let's see what we got, S6. I probably should be driving a little lower so that if I center myself, I can lift the car up and get out of it, but wow, I mean, look at this. It's like whiteout conditions here. You can't see anything. This is also open straight to the water on the left here. I actually used to live right here, but it's all open straight to the water on the left here, so the wind just rushes through here. We used to live on the first floor of this building, and the snow would come underneath our door, and the rain would come underneath our door because they had a janky seal and they never fixed it. Oh, this is not plowed at all. Cool. I know you guys are expecting like crazy drifts and stuff, but I just wanted to go explore. That plow truck was drifting. He just slid through that turn. Now let's see what we got here. In completely unplowed territory. I can't tell how deep the snow is, but I know the snowplow behind me is pushing a big old pile of snow. So we're gonna get out of it. Right out. The S6 is an animal in the snow. I honestly, like, I knew it would be good because it's the S4 with extra weight, but it is really freaking good. All right, let's go back down that same road and see what it looks like now that it's plowed. Oh yeah, there must have been 3 or 4 inches on this road and I just zipped right down it, no issue. What about this one? This one is completely unplowed. What do we say, folks? 2 or 3 inches of snow right here? mean, literally no issue. It does help. Like I said before, we're skyjacked, so can't hurt, but they're just right through this stuff. No issues at all. Much later in the day, much more treacherous. We are out and about yet again. We just high-centered the S6 in a snowbank. That was an adventure, and I almost couldn't get out because the freaking traction control won't shut off all the way. So I'm really frustrated by that. I don't know why Audi said, like, yeah, we'll give you sport mode, but you get stuck in the snow, you're screwed because it'll just try to kick in. So, like the Wild West out here, people are walking in the streets. There's vans stuck, there's cars stuck. People are doing burnouts from stoplights. S6, other than getting high-centered in that snowbank, gone through everything. We've had plows push stuff in front of us, go through it. We've had people shovel into the street, go through it. The windshield wipers are very frozen at this point. I tried to clap them off. Didn't work, but we're rolling. Yeah, see, there's another person stuck over there. What happens is the plows come by on this main strip, and then, never mind. That is driver error. That is completely driver error. But watch.
Oh my god.
We've got a big snowbank right here. This guy's in the middle of the road. I don't know what his plan was. Two-lane road here, buddy. So, the plows are going back and forth, but there's so much snow falling so quickly that they aren't able to come back the other way and clear out the bank that they left, or they come back the other way and push the bank back up. And obviously, because we're in the middle of the storm, if you're not familiar with plowing, they don't do a perfect cleanup on every road until the storm is over. So there's a lot of snow that just gets kind of shoved side to side, and a lot of cars that were stuck. But that one that was stuck at the intersection, the guy hugged the turn too tight, and his passenger door was stuck in the snow. All he needed to do was back up and take a little wider. But that's what happens when you drive a Prius. How quickly can I do this? Ready?
That doesn't help, you're just still swishing it around.
Freaking e-brake. Okay, wipers, turn on. Wow. We're not in great shape here, but at least we're partially visible. Alright, well, not exactly the conditions for the world's best snow drive, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know people like just point of view driving and talking. Hopefully we'll get the BMW out tomorrow and I can upload a video on that, even if it's not super snowy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you stayed safe through this storm. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next video.